Have you ever met someone with a college degree who's been job hunting for months with no luck, or seen factories shut down while thousands of workers are laid off? These aren't just sad stories, they're symptoms of a major economic issue: unemployment. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we simplify economics through whiteboard animations. In this 10th episode of our Fundamentals and Core Concepts series, we're answering: what exactly is unemployment? What are its types and causes? And how do countries try to solve it? Full economics playlist, you'll find it linked in the description below. What is unemployment? Unemployment occurs when people who are willing and able to work can't find a job despite actively searching. It's a key indicator of a country's economic health and a problem that affects income, social stability, and growth. Formula time. Unemployment rate equals unemployed people, labor force, times 100. Types of unemployment. Let's break it down into 5 main types you'll see in the real world. 1. Frictional unemployment. This is short-term unemployment, when people are in between jobs or just entering the workforce. Example: a recent graduate looking for their first job, or someone who quit to find better work. It's normal and healthy in a dynamic economy. 2. Structural unemployment. This happens when workers' skills don't match what the job market needs. Example: a factory worker loses their job because machines replaced manual labor. Problem: their skills are outdated. Training and reskilling are needed. 3. Cyclical unemployment caused by economic slowdowns or recessions. Example: during COVID-19, many industries cut jobs due to reduced demand. This type rises during downturns and falls during recovery. It's tied to the business cycle. 4. Seasonal unemployment. Some jobs are tied to specific seasons or time periods. Example: ice cream vendors, agricultural workers, or holiday retail staff. It's expected, but still important to manage. 5. Disguised unemployment common in developing countries. More people work than actually needed. Example: 5 family members working on a farm that needs only 2. The others are technically unemployed. It hides real productivity problems. What causes unemployment? Economic recessions, automation and technology, poor education and skill gaps, overpopulation or slow job creation, government policy failure or corruption, global crises like pandemics or wars. Solutions to unemployment. For governments, invest in infrastructure and public works, support skill development programs, encourage startups and small businesses, offer tax relief or subsidies for job creation, improve labor laws and regulations. For individuals, upgrade skills through training and certifications. Stay adaptable in a changing job market. Explore freelancing, entrepreneurship, or digital careers. Famous quote: "The best social program is a job." Ronald Reagan. Work gives people income, purpose, and dignity. That's why solving unemployment is a top priority for every nation. Why this topic matters. If you're a student or job seeker, this helps you understand what affects your career. If you're a policymaker, economist, or business leader, tackling unemployment can reshape an entire economy. And if you're simply curious, this is the human side of economics. It's not just graphs and numbers, it's real lives. Coming up next, in our next episode, we'll explore fiscal policy versus monetary policy, how governments manage the economy. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell, and continue learning through our full economics playlist below. This is the Learning Studio, where knowledge comes alive with whiteboard animation.